the very first drawback which we said, the major drawback of our manual, not major, the very first drawback we consider of our manual is time taken. Now, why do we have to switch on to the tools? The reason behind this is fast in process over there, right? This is what I will say it as. We are using tools only to overcome the time taken process over there. Is it only for the time taken or anything else? We said we do not get an accurate result over there. Sorry, somebody was saying something, right? Whereas I will only merge the three tools over there because I cannot give an accurate result under Jira because it is not an executed tool over there. It is a management tool, right? That is what it is. And what else we had over there in the manual side? Repetition, human errors are all are there, right? What do we do is we'll keep aside. We don't want to talk about manual right now. We will compare within the tools itself in this case, right? So before Selenium, there were a lot of tools, or currently there are a lot of tools. Why do we have to switch on to Selenium? Why everybody is jumping onto this tool rather than other tools? What is the advantage over here, right? A small comparison we will do it. We're not going to the detailed over here, right? Major first advantage is it's an open source tool, free, no paisa required over here. Whereas my load runner, the UFT, the automation tool, functional tool UFT, the performance tool load runner, and even the Jira also. These are all your commercial tools, right? So you need to buy a license, a single user license, a multi-user license. Whereas when it comes down to the load runner, what your client says, he wants 100 users to be accessed, then you have a different license. If there is a 500 users accessing, then you have to pay another different license. The number of users accessing to the page, right? The number increases, the license needs to be changed over there. The payment keeps on changing. That is a different issue under the performance tool, right? That is one reason we had to switch on. The other reason is compatible with any operating system. So you can able to install the Selenium into Mac, Linux, Windows, or anything else.